Difference between cars.iloc 3, 0, cars.iloc 3, 0, and cars.iloc 3, 0. I am studying pandas and working on cars' CSV file. I ran the below commands. 1. Cars.iloc 3, 0. In 18 India falsus 809 United States true. 2. Cars.iloc 3, 0. In 18. Three. Cars.iloc 3, 0. I am getting confused in the first and third command. I checked the type of all and the first two are the data frame and the third one is not. However, why am I getting a different output for first and third? Any help will be appreciated.
Select 3 and 0 rows or columns. Select 3 and 0 columns or rows. Select 3 row and 0 columns, nested list, create one item series. Same as above, only without nested lists, get scalar. Another selecting. Select 3 and 0 row 0 column second, create one column data frame. And if omitted, get series. If want, select one row in multiple columns. And last for select multiple rows and multiple columns.